All right, here we go. We got a line of people on this rail, probably laying down. I don't have them laying down right now, but Aiden and Audrey are back here. This is just to kind of get us started. So the focus just starts back here for a second. Shift to the starting process here. Summer's walking up. The rail starts to split. This can continue to kind of be secondary. It's almost like they stop what they're doing to watch her walk through. This becomes focus here. Shifts to focus here. These dancers very supporting. Ripple probably to get to Summer coming in. Saber, they've all got their suitcases to this point. The Sabers leave their suitcases where they go. This is Aiden and Audrey adding in. So this is the A Sabers. As the secondary people go back, they're going to leave their suitcases there. Just a little moment here with the dancers with the suitcases and the Sabers. They shift away. We want to minimize this, get them out of the way so the flags come in. This will be posed.
Minutes to spare. Glance at my watch, time's going faster these days, I swear.
Flags continue to add in. This is secondary Sabers.
Train timetable board. There's only 2 platforms to be explored. And it's then
Rest of the
that
flags
I
add
admit
in.
to myself.
Getting to the chorus moment here. That's the flags. Full Saber line and 3 dancers in the middle. This can be, these dancers can be in this pod or they can be in this space here. They'll move right there into the next phase.
Oblivious existence.